Hey guys, I have a new kitchen gadget to try today. It's a mandolin vegetable slicer with 6 interchangeable blades. This is the mandolin vegetable slicer from Godmoran, and it is used for slicing, grating, and shredding. This one is green and it also comes in red. Let's take a look at the box so you can see the pretty red color. It has 6 interchangeable blades. It has illustration here of the different kind of slicing that it can do with the blades. The picture here gives you an idea of what each blade will do. There's a photo with the different kind of slices that you can make. There's a wavy slicer. Looks like you can make crinkle cut fries. A 1.5 millimeter slicer, 2.5, 3, and a 4 for various things, like if you wanted to slice up some cucumber. And then there's the grater. This mandolin is a nice simple design. You have the handle to hold the mandolin in place while you're using it. And there are the storage slots on the side. So 4 of the blades that aren't in use can be stored there. And there is a container here that catches the slicings so they don't get all over. This is made from food grade stainless steel and BPA free ABS plastic. It is guaranteed not to rust or lose sharpness over time. This comes with a finger guard device, a ceramic blade peeler, and the anti-slip pads on the bottom. I'm going to wash this off and try some carrots and cucumber. Alright, so we're going to try a carrot first. So that makes the little slices on the bottom here. We can show this is the blade to do the shredded. Really easy to use, shreds it up nicely, and there are so many different attachments for different types of grating, so we can try a cucumber. So why don't we try this here? So it just holds it like that. So this would be great. I'd like to make as a substitute for pasta. You can shred up this cucumber and make it with the sauce. It's very good. This is a tool that would be very good to encourage you to eat more vegetables, and that is always a good thing. Please check the description section below for more information on this mandolin slicer. Thanks for watching.